Hey, it's Mary here from Life in the RV. You don't step into full-time RV life because everything is perfect. You step into it because something inside you knows life is too short to keep waiting for someday. For us, that wake-up call came through with a series of losses that reminded us just how fragile time really is. My sister passed away at 51. Her husband passed away at 55, 3 years later. Tim's brother, he was killed by a drunk driver at just 27. Their dreams, especially the ones they kept saving for later, never happened. And that truth settled into our hearts in a way we couldn't ignore. Then one ordinary afternoon, our neighbor pulled up with a rented travel trailer, something we didn't even know was possible. But the moment we saw it, something inside us snapped awake. If renting was an option, then going was an option. Living differently was an option. Finally, doing the things we talked about for years was an option. 6 weeks later, we sold the house and hit the road. We weren't experts. We weren't fearless. We didn't have a plan mapped out with perfect precision. We just knew life wasn't waiting for us, and we were done waiting for it. And yes, we made mistakes, plenty of them. We hooked things up wrong, underestimated campsites, second-guessed ourselves, and wondered more than once if we were actually out of our minds. But every time we stumbled, the RV community showed up for us. They taught us, encouraged us, helped us grow into the people who could handle whatever the road threw our way. With every mile, we became more confident, more resilient, more alive. And somewhere along that winding path of mistakes, learning and adventure, we realized we could figure anything out. That's when our mission became clear. No one starting this journey should have to feel overwhelmed, confused, or alone the way we did. No one should have to guess their way through downsizing, choosing an RV, planning routes, troubleshooting issues, or building a life on wheels. No one should lose years to someday. So I created GPS to Full-Time RV Living, a heart-centered, step-by-step roadmap for people who are tired of waiting for the right time, craving more freedom, adventure, or connection, longing for a fresh start, ready to live the life they keep imagining. My mission is simple: to walk beside you as you turn your dream into everyday reality, with clarity, confidence, and a real launch date you can circle on your calendar. Because tomorrow isn't promised, and you deserve a life you're excited to wake up for. It's time.